Hello, Professor Liu. You are the editor-in-chief of Journal of Integrative Plant Biology. Could you tell us a bit about yourself?
So, hello, I'm Chunming Liu from China. I'm a professor at the Institute of Botany, Chinese Academy of Science, and also head of the key laboratory of molecular plant biology. I have been working for 16 years abroad in UK, in America and the Netherlands. Received my PhD at the Jonas Center in 1996. And since 2007, I took over the journal as the executive editor-in-chief. And in 2009, I became the chief editor. And during the last 6 years, I have been working together with my board members and the people in the office to promote the journal. So we can see during this period, the journal has been developed very rapidly, really become an international journal, as you see from this.
Yeah. So please tell us about the scope of JIPB and what you hope to achieve during your tenure as editor-in-chief.
So JIPB publish every aspect of plant science articles, but shall answer fundamental plant biology questions. So we have molecular ecology toward developmental biology, cell biology, and omics technology. So we have research articles, we have invited review, mini reviews, and the new technologies as well. And the journal really handled by experts in the area. We have 80 editors all over the world to help also to publish their journal in a good way.
Please, can you give an introduction to JIPB regarding journal impact factor, readership, time span from paper submission to first decision, author service, and board member, etc.?
So the impact factor has increased from 0.7 in 2007 to 3.75 last year. And this is really a continuous increase, and we expect the impact factor will come to around 5 in 2 years' time. So I think that is very much feasible. And we have the readership has been increased from 50,000 per year, now is about over 200,000 per year. So it's really all over the world. And the authorship is also distributed in all countries. And also our board member is working very hard to help the author to publish their articles and to polish their articles. We also have people in Wiley Blackwell to help the author to polish their English as well. And very importantly, it's free to publish in JIPB.
So last question. So what would you say to someone who is considering submitting their papers to JIPB? What is your expectation to Chinese authors?
So Chinese author is very important for us because plant science is very important for China. So China has invested a lot of money to fundamental plant science research in the last 15 years. And we can see the rapid development of China, and we hope JIPB will serve as a good media for Chinese authors. And to help the Chinese author to publish or to write their manuscript. So in the last 4 years, every year we organize one workshop for scientific writing, and we have international professors, especially Bill Lucas, is helping to coordinating this workshop. And next year, I think in April, we'll have another one in China to help to teach students how to write a good, high-quality scientific paper. And we also hope that JIPB will attract more Chinese authors to get their best paper to be published in the journal.
Okay, thank you. What would you say to someone who is considering submitting their papers to JIPP, and
Oh.
not talk about only Chinese authors.
Yeah.
Maybe
I think
some international
I think
authors.
it's for all authors we treat them equally, and JIPB is a very fast turnover journal. So the first decision is made on average is 26 days, and online is 56 days. So we have all open access policies, and all the article can be read from PubMed, Google Scholars, and other 67 databases. So we make sure their paper will be well accepted by international community.
Thank you, Professor Liu. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.